Hey guys, so we're going to go ahead and try the partial product and the area models again. This time we're going to use dice just for the fact that I don't want to have to get the playing cards out again and for you to have to worry about figuring out which card does what. So you're going to get a piece of paper. It's just going to look just like mine. And you're going to see that it says at the top, it says partial product and area model. Post reteach using this flip. The flip means that it's because you're watching me teach it first, and then you're going to go ahead and do it independently yourself. So the first problem, I'm going to do myself, and I want you to go ahead and follow along and write down what I do while I'm doing it onto your paper. So let's go ahead and start here. First, I'm going to roll my dice. I get a 3 and a 3 and make a double-digit number. 3 and 3 would be 33. Then I'm going to go ahead and roll my dice again. This time I got a 6 and a 1, so that would make 61. So it says to write the equation that you rolled. Write the equation of what you rolled right here. So we wrote the equation 33 times 61 equals. Now, in this box it says to solve the equation using an area model. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my area model, which is just a box, right? Box. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set it up for the area model looks like. So I'm going to take 33 and I'm going to expand 33 to 30 plus 3. Then I'm going to look at 61. I'm going to expand that to 60 plus 1. Okay? Now I have to go ahead and make my partial boxes so that I can make this easier. Now, each rectangle has its own equation. So here, if I do length times width, it would be 30 times 60. I'm going to use the power of 0, 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2, and now 3 times 6 is 18. 30 times 60 is 1,800. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move on. I'm going to do 3 length times width. 3 times, if this is 60 up here, this is 60 down here. So it'd be 3 times 60. Again, because I'm old, I'm going to use my power of 0. I have 1 0. 1 0. Now, 3 times 6 is 18. Now I'm going to go ahead and move over here. Now I have 1. If this is 30 over here, this is also 30. So it would be length 30 times width times 1. Well, we know that. 30 times 1 is 30. Okay, now I'm going to do the last box. If this is 3, this is 3. If this is 1, this is 1. So we're going to do, ready? We're going to do length times width. 3 times 1 equals 3. Okay? Now I have 4 different products to add together. 1,800, 30, 180, and 3. In order to do that, I'm going to have to write down those and line them up nicely. I'm going to go ahead and do it over here. 1,800, and then 180, and then 30, and then 3. Plus sign equals 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, carry my 1. 8, 9, 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2013 is my answer. I'm done with the area model. Now I need to use partial product. So I need to go ahead and write my equation. 33 times 61 equals. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to distribute my 1. I'm going to distribute my 1 to the 3, which is 1 times 3. That equals 3. I'm going to distribute my 1 to the tens place. That would be 1 times 3 tens, which is 30, which equals 30. Now I'm done with my ones place. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to switch colors just so you can see. And I'm going to distribute my tens place. 6 tens is the same as 60. 60 times 3. Okay, here's where power of 0 comes in. 1, 0. 6 times 3 is 18. Now I'm going to again look at my 60 times my tens place. 60 times 3 tens would be 30. Power of 0. 1, 2, 2 zeros. 6 times 3, 18. Now I'm going to find the sum of all those partial products by adding them up. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, carry my 1. 8, 9, 10. Carry my 1. 2. I get 2013. If you look, these should be the same answer. And I should, if I have the same answer, I have a happy face. I have done this correctly. Okay? Your job now is to take the dice and do exactly what I just did with yours. If you have to rewatch this, then rewatch it, guys. It's okay. But try your best. Take your time. There's a back. You will do 3 of these on your own. And yes, this is a grade. It's a makeup grade of what we did last Friday. Alright, again, if you need to rewatch it, rewatch it. Alright, I will see you tomorrow.